Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at TeamChat in Zoom. So let's start it out. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm in the home of Zoom client. Now if I click on TeamChat over here, we've got the TeamChat window opened up, and in case if I wanted to start a new conversation, I can click that this new chat button over here and start a conversation to a person that is in my contact or an email address. I have not set up my team yet, so I have to do that. So first I'll go to the channels AI over here and click on three dots and click on create a channel. So I'm gonna say the channel's name to be Emmanuel's Den, and it's gonna be a public group, or maybe I'll just invite some members. And there you go, my channel has been created and I've just added one member to my channel. So in case if you wanted to add a member, just click on the plus button over here and I can search for my contacts in Zoom and add them by their name. All right, actually I can look at my contact requests given by some of the people. I don't have any contact requests here. If we do have contact requests, it will show up over here and we can accept the request. All right, so I can also look at the chats where my name is being mentioned, so that you can see in mentions. And if I click on more over here, I have an option for bookmark. I have an option for reminders. If there is reminders in the calendar area, I can look at it here. And if I click on files over here, there are files. You can actually upload some files. So the file sent to me will be visible here, but if I upload a file, then it's gonna be visible to the people that I have shared with. All right, so under my channel, I can actually add a channel info over here about what this channel is about. I can also click on leave channel to leave the channel and get out. So in case if I wanted to delete the channel, I'll do it here, or I can assign a new owner by clicking on assign a new owner, and I can search for people again and I can click on assign to assign a new owner. Otherwise, if I want to leave the channel and then delete the channel, I can do it here as well. Actually, here when I click on the more options here, I can click on edit channel and I can change the channel's name, and I can actually have advanced permissions where I can set who can add new members, if members from outside the organization can join, or who can send messages and stuff like that. Right, so after that, if I click on the files area over here, the file shared only in this channel will be visible, and the whiteboards which has been shared in this channel will be visible under whiteboard section. And if I click on the pin history, if you had pinned any messages, the pin history will show up here. And if I click on bookmark messages, I'll get the messages that I have bookmarked so far. And if I click on notification over here, we can set up the color of the notification, whether to show up a badge or not, whether to show the notifications of all messages or the messages which has mentioned on me or all members, or do nothing. Or you can actually, if you don't want any notifications from this channel, you can actually click on mute channel over here and you won't get any notifications. And when I click on the chats area over here, and if I create a new chat, I can create a new chat and start a convo with one of my team members just by including the email addresses over here. All right, if I click on apps over here, and I can add an app again, which we have seen in the previous video. We can add a ton of apps that Zoom has integrations with. All right, you guys, and in case if you want to look at missed calls, if you have missed any meetings or anything, you can look at this area. So this is TeamChat in Zoom for you guys, and there are a lot of useful things that you can do with Zoom TeamChat, which is similar to Teams, but still not very detailed as Teams. But still, there is a working TeamChat. There is a working channel mechanism in Zoom, and I want to talk to you about that. So that's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching, and keep watching my videos to have more information on Zoom and many tips and tricks that you can do with Zoom. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.